Goodwill brings to you the market update dated January 31, 2023. For the development in the corporate segment, we have. In its note, JSW Steel said the company received Shoka's notices from the respective deputy directors of mines for Jota and Koira during the quarter under review. The Shoka's notices, the company said in its note, were followed by 702 rupees crore demand notices. The demand pertains to allegations over a drop in the grade of iron ore mined during financial year 2022 and the current financial year 23, compared to the submitted mining plan. Most Adani Group shares fell sharply on Monday as the Indian conglomerate's rebuttal of a U.S. short seller's criticism failed to pacify investors, deepening a market rout that has now led to losses of $65 billion in the group's stock values. Led by Asia's richest man Gautam Adani, the Indian group has locked horns with Hindenburg Research and on Sunday hit back at the short seller's report of last week that flagged concerns about its debt levels and the use of tax havens. In a bid to ensure safety of retail investors' money, Indian bourses have lowered circuit limit of 3 Adani Group stocks. As per the information available on BSE and NSE website, Indian bourses have lowered circuit limit of 3 Adani Group stocks, Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy and Adani Total Gas, from 20% to 10%. So, after revision of circuit limit, Adani Transmission share price today would have upper circuit limit at 1,881.10 Indian rupees a piece on BSE, whereas it would have lower circuit limit placed at 1,539.10 Indian rupees levels. The National Company Law Tribunal's Hyderabad bench has cleared the decks for Anil Agarwal's Vedanta Limited to acquire the debt-laden power company Meenakshi Energy Limited, while turning down the objections raised by the competing bidder consortium of Prudent Arc Limited and Vizag Minerals and Logistics. The consortium of Prudent Arc moved the tribunal seeking to restrain the Committee of Creditors and the resolution professional from proceeding with the challenge process, wherein Vedanta emerged as the preferred resolution applicant. Vedanta had submitted a bid to buy out Meenakshi Energy for 1,440 rupees crore, of which 312 rupees crore was to be paid upfront and the balance 1,128 rupees crore to be pumped in the form of secured, unlisted non-convertible debentures to be matured over 5 years. India's state-owned infrastructure finance company REC Limited on Monday reported a 5.1% rise in third-quarter profit as it cut down its total expenses. The New Delhi-based non-banking financial company's profit rose to 29.15 billion rupees in the 3 months ended December 31st, from 27.73 billion rupees a year earlier, it said in a statement. Total revenue from operations fell 2.5% to 97.82 billion rupees. The company, which mainly provides loans to state electricity boards, state utilities, and all segments of power infrastructure in the private sector, said its interest income on loan assets grew nearly 1% to 96.60 billion rupees. The imported coal supply rose to 1.57 MMT in the quarter from 0.52 MMT in the same period a year ago. GAIL Limited is scouting for long-term gas import deals and hopes to sign one contract shortly to make up for disrupted supplies from a former unit of Russian energy giant Gazprom, its head of finance said on Monday. India's largest gas distributor reported a 93% decline in its December quarter net profit as it transmitted less gas locally due to a reduction in liquefied natural gas supply from a deal with Gazprom Marketing and Singapore. Kalyan Jewellers in daily timeframe is trading around 117.6 points with a change of 11.52% and is trading with a net volume of around 5.515 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 116.25, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 49.55. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. RS Software in daily timeframe is trading at 25.8 points with a change of 8.5% and is trading with a net volume of 138.648 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 24.6. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 56.52. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.